Product introduction. Model. LDP type off-track electric single girder crane, single girder overhead crane. Standards. Designed per GBT 3811-2008 and JBT 1306-2008. Compatibility. Often paired with CD1 MD1 electric hoists. Hoist positioning. Located on one side of the main girder for increased hook space. Type. Ultra-low headroom lightweight crane with ground operation. Key features. Wide wheel spacing enhances stability. Smooth operation ensures efficiency. Compact structure saves space. Sensitive control, easy to operate. Safety and reliability, built for dependable use. Aesthetic appeal, attractive design. Low noise levels, quiet operation. Components, main girder bridge, metallurgical electric hoist, trolley running mechanism, electrical system. Structural similarity, mirrors the standard LDA type single girder crane. Easy installation, facilitates efficient transport. Construction. Main girder made from hot-rolled plates, cut and welded with I-beams to form a solid beam. Lifting mechanism, specialized wire rope electric hoist for smooth lifting and horizontal movement. Trolley mechanism, H-class insulated 3-in-1 drive motor for quiet operation. Power supply, high temperature resistant cables ensure safety and stability. Application scenarios, suitable industries, metallurgy, hydropower, aerospace, shipbuilding, automotive, coal, petrochemical. Functionality and advantages. Increased hook space, reduces factory height and construction costs. Key advantages, stable performance, excellent rigidity, high temperature resistance, reliable safety features. Reminder safety note, prohibited from operating in environments with flammable, explosive, or corrosive materials to ensure safety and compliance.